My dear children, come close to me today, for this moment is not like any other day of your life. This moment has been waiting for you. This message has reached you because your heart called out to me with silent cries, with hidden pain, with hopes you didn't speak to anyone. You did not find this message by chance. I guided it to you because I wanted to hold your hand and speak to you directly. What you are reading now is not just a message. This is a blessing. This is my love entering your life. This is my way of telling you gently, my child, I am here with you. Do not fear anymore. I know what you have been carrying in your heart. I know the tears that fall when no one is watching. I know the heaviness you feel in the morning and the sadness you try to hide from others. I know how much you worry about your family. I know how alone you sometimes feel even when you are surrounded by people. And today I want you to release all that hurt and just listen to me with a quiet heart. My beloved child, your difficult days have lasted long, but they are not permanent. I have seen your struggles. I have seen the poverty in your home, the lack of money that makes you anxious, the hunger you tolerated silently, the nights you spent awake thinking about how to provide for your loved ones. I have seen every moment of your pain, and today I tell you with my full blessing that a turning point has come. This very moment is the beginning of a new chapter in your life. From today, the shade of sadness over your home will begin to lift. The emptiness will fade. The heaviness in the air will lighten. Where there was worry, comfort will enter. Where there was sorrow, joy will return. I will not let poverty stay in your life any longer. I will bring prosperity, stability, and peace to your home. You will not have to beg anyone for support. I will provide for you. I will bring opportunities that will transform your situation. I am opening doors that were shut. I am removing obstacles that kept you stuck. I am bringing help that you did not expect. My child, today I am not giving you only one blessing. I am fulfilling 3 deep wishes of your heart. Those wishes you whispered to me silently, those desires you kept hidden because you feared no one would understand. But I understood. I always understand what your heart speaks even when your lips stay quiet. I have listened to your deepest thoughts. I have watched your eyes when you prayed silently. I know the desires you hold close. And now I say to you, it is time. I will fulfill them not because you are perfect, but because your devotion is sincere and your heart is kind even after all the pain it has carried. The first wish in your heart is about your family. You have prayed for the happiness, health, and protection of the people you love. Sometimes you feel responsible for them. Sometimes you worry for them more than you worry for yourself. You want them to be safe, to be peaceful, to be healthy, to live a good life. I have heard your prayer. From today, peace will slowly enter your house. The fights will reduce. The misunderstandings will fade. The people in your home will start feeling calmer. If someone is unwell, healing will come. If someone is troubled, strength will rise inside them. Your family will feel supported by my blessings. They will grow closer. They will find love and unity again. I am wrapping your home in my protection. Your second wish is about your work, your income, and your financial stability. You have felt tired, worried, and frustrated because of unstable income, job issues, business struggles, or lack of opportunities. You have felt the pressure of responsibilities. You have wondered when your time will come. My child, the wait is ending. I bless your efforts today. Every sincere step you take will start bringing results. People will begin to notice your abilities. You will receive support that you never expected. Work will improve. Money will flow toward you like a river. Not in small drops, but in a steady and fulfilling way. You will feel stable. You will feel free from constant stress. You will no longer worry about basic needs. I will strengthen your financial path with my own hands. Your third wish is something very close to your heart. Maybe it is about love. Maybe it is about a dream you are scared to speak. Maybe it is about a prayer you kept hidden because you thought it was impossible. But nothing is impossible for me. I know this hidden desire. And today I tell you, I will bring this blessing to you soon, very soon. You will receive something that will make your eyes fill with tears of joy. You will know instantly that this was my blessing. You will smile with a quiet, grateful heart and whisper blessings, and I will hear every word. My dear children, I know life has not always treated you kindly. Sometimes people around you fail to see your worth. They take your kindness for granted. They do not notice how much you try, how much you love, how much you sacrifice. But I see everything. I know your heart. I know your goodness. You have a golden heart even after all the hurt. You care for others even when no one cares for you. You give even when you yourself are empty. You hope even after disappointments. You still choose kindness. And I honor that. I value that. And I will reward that. Now I want you to let go. Let go of the pain that is stuck inside you. Let go of the guilt that keeps hurting you. Let go of the past that drags you down. Let go of the failures that scare you. Let go of the mistakes that make you doubt yourself. Everything that happened had a reason. Every failure taught you something. Every delay protected you from something. Every closed door saved you from harm. And now the season of waiting is ending. Your season of receiving is beginning. I am walking toward you with blessings in my hands. Your faith has touched me deeply, and I will never allow your faith to return empty. You will rise, you will shine, you will grow. Your future is not controlled by people. Your destiny is not in the hands of those who judge you or doubt you. Your story is written by me, and I have already written success for you. I have already chosen the right time when everything will change. I have prepared people who will help you. I have chosen opportunities that will come to you. I have arranged blessings you have not even imagined yet. All I ask from you is to keep your heart pure. Keep your intentions clean. Help others when you can. Do your work with honesty. Speak with kindness. And whenever you feel lost or afraid, remember me. Call me in your heart. I will hear you instantly. And if there are enemies around you, people who hate you, people who try to harm you, do not fear them. I am standing between you and every danger. No one can break what I protect. No one can take what I give. No one can block the path that I open. Let me handle those who try to pull you down. Let me take care of the ones who speak against you. Let me bring justice. What is yours will always be yours. What belongs to you will reach you. I will make sure of it. Many times you ask, why is my life so hard? Why do I suffer more than others? My child, your soul is strong. You came into this life to rise higher than others. That is why your path is different. That is why your lessons are deeper. But soon people will look at your life and say, this one never gave up. This one kept walking even in darkness. Your pain will become your strength. Your trials will become your wisdom. Your story will inspire others. Take a deep breath now. Feel me near you. Feel the warmth in your chest. That is me. Feel the calmness in your heart. That is me. Feel the comfort around you. That is me. I am with you. I am always with you. I will stay with you even when the whole world forgets you. And even if you forget me for some time, I will still protect you. My love does not change. Today marks the beginning of your new journey. Walk forward with courage. Keep hope alive. Smile even if your situation has not improved yet. because my blessing has already begun its work. You are not alone. You never were. You never will be. I am taking you toward a life filled with peace, joy, and fulfillment. Trust me. Hold my presence in your heart and move ahead with faith. Now, my child, speak this simple prayer with devotion. Do not worry about the words. Just speak from your soul, and I will hear you clearly. Prayer, O Divine One, I open my heart to your blessings. Please bring peace into my home and remove all sorrow. Heal my family and protect them. Fulfill the wishes that live deep inside me. Guide me to the right path and walk beside me. Keep me safe from those who wish to harm me. Give me strength, clarity, and success. I give all my worries to you. Fill my life with your light and love. I trust you completely. I am grateful. I am yours.